विकास खुश तो बहुत होगे तुम आज. 3 games, 3 victories, very un-RCB like behavior. इतनी चमक दांतों में, मुस्कान में कैसे आ रही है? कैसा लग रहा है भाई तेरे को? Unusual.
अनयूजुअल यार, मजा
2016 के बाद तो unusual बोल सकते हो.
2016 अनयूजुअल तो डेफिनेटली, आई डोंट डिनाई दैट, लेकिन मजा आ गया. मतलब ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस देख के ना, इट्स नथिंग लाइक के जैसे हम कल बात कर रहे थे मुंबई इंडियंस के बारे में कि जीत रहे हैं, लेकिन यार वो मुंबई इंडियंस वाला परफॉर्मेंस नहीं लग रहा है. आरसीबी वाला भी वही हो रहा है, जीत रहे हैं लेकिन आरसीबी वाला परफॉर्मेंस नहीं लग रहा है. समझ रहे हो? स्टेटमेंट सेम है, इमोशंस अलग है.
Well said.
But
मजा आ गया.
just to start, मतलब आरसीबी ने आज चेन्नई में पहले बैटिंग करते हुए 204 रन बनाए. What a score. I mean, some of the guys batted really well, bhai. Matlab, in spite of a poor start, Virat going early, Devdutt going early, not that early, 25 or 28.
Patidar.
Yeah, Patidar. Yeah, Devdutt was playing, but playing slowly, Aj. Then comes, the signing of the season for you. I think...
signing of the season.
डिबेट हम लोग इस पे डिबेट करेंगे कि if he is the signing of the season या नहीं. बट ग्लेन मैक्सवेल आया एंड जैसा पिच बिहेव कर रही थी, सब अलग बिहेव करने लगा. It's just the ball started to grip less, the bat started to middle more, and it's just the things got going. Because I mean, of course, you're the RCB fan, Vignesh also the RCB fan, gushing about probably Glenn Maxwell's performance. Because
yeah man, I mean एक नहीं दो नहीं तीनों मैचेस में उसने बंदे ने परफॉर्म किया है और ज्यादा सेटिस्फाइंग. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि क्या फिट है ना उसके लिए कि he knows that ABD will be coming after me. जैसा वो वाला सीन उसको जो वो एक मिसिंग पीस वो खुद था किसी और के लिए और उसके लिए भी था कि यार मेरे को ये चाहिए या फिर ये चाहिए, पीछे कोई तो चाहिए, तब जाके मैं ऐसा खेलूंगा. And yeah, like Virender Sehwag said in the very first match, he was performing to impress Virat Kohli. But then उसके बाद भी वो जो खेल रहा है ओवरऑल कि yes I want to be here, अगला ये भी मेगा ऑप्शन है और सब कुछ है, उस हिसाब से जो खेल रहा है. he actually वो जो मैक्सवेल कैरेक्टर है बेसिकली जो हर बॉल मारने का खेलता है, वो जो एक्साइटमेंट लास्ट सीजन उसके पिछले लास्ट सीजन में लगता था कि ये कोई भी बॉल मार देगा और कभी भी आउट हो सकता है, वो ये अभी तक लग नहीं रहा है. जहां पर वो 4 नंबर पर बैटिंग करने के आ रहा है, उसका स्ट्राइक रेट या मैक्सवेल स्टैंडर्ड से है, बट स्टिल ही इज प्लेइंग रिस्पांसिबली एंड दैट्स व्हाट लाइक इज स्टैंडिंग आउट फॉर मी.
या विघ्नेश मतलब चांसलेस खेल रहा है, यू डोंट एसोसिएट दैट विद मैक्सवेल. और कभी-कभार उसकी टाइमिंग ऑफ द अनऑर्थोडॉक्स शॉट खेलने की, कभी मतलब रिवर्स जब वो खेलता है या स्कूप करता है, तो इट्स लाइक सब कुछ परफेक्टली कर रहा है जिस बॉल पे करना चाहिए. गोइंग वेरी स्मूथली फॉर हिम राइट नाउ.
राइट. So that is about Maxwell finding a home like RCB. He literally मतलब उसको finally एक घर मिल गया है after the 2014 Kings 11 Punjab. I guess this is Maxwell, and तभी शायद ज्यादा खौफ था Maxwell का. Even then he was a boom or bust kind of a player. But coming to this version of Maxwell, more assuredness, more control, more authority over the game, and bowlers suddenly don't seem to have answers to Maxwell, and that is great news for RCB. Kohli, matlab they are not missing Kohli. Villiers of course played in the first game brilliantly this game, but Maxwell has been the consistent force, and that is showing. Even in field pay, Maxwell's leadership qualities are coming to the fore. He is having a presence, and that is what RCB signed him for. 14 crores. There was a lot of noise, but 3 games into the season, and there is no more noise around that. So our big player has arrived this season.
Your big player. Like, matlab, you had always had a trioca of big players, na? At least batsmen, though. I mean, Gale tha.
Yeah.
But this seems more of a fit because AB is used to that role.
Right.
Virat is, you can say, getting used to that role also, and is used to that role also, because many times what has happened is you've lost an opener in the beginning when Parthiv was playing, for example,
Correct.
for you.
Yeah.
And Finchi was also when playing. You've lost an opener early, and Virat has to walk in early. तो अभी वो सारे रोल सेटिस्फाई हो रहे हैं. इवन मैक्सी का ये होता है कि देयर इज समवन ए भी पीछे है, ही इज नॉट द स्टार प्लेयर इन द टीम, एग्जैक्टली एज यू सेड विघ्नेश. That less pressure to take you home and just more to express yourself. That's I think that's a match of the balance is now working for RCB for sure. यार इसके बारे में और बात होगी obviously if he keeps on his form. एक और बार में बात होने लगेगी eventually जो अभी नहीं हो रही है. So I'm probably sort of preempting that कि विराट कोहली and his struggles, because now it's century तो चल ठीक है, it's a parameter, you can't really quantify that. I mean you can quantify that but you can't really judge properly by that कि player कितना form में है या नहीं है, कितने overs मिल रहे हैं, क्या impact है उसका game में. So century is not really, उसने 1.5-2 साल से century नहीं मारी है internationals में, forget that, not talking about that. अभी now he has declared that India के लिए वो open करेगा with रोहित शर्मा. अभी मेरे को ये दिख रहा है कि कोई भी टीम जो इंडिया के अगेंस्ट खेलेगी वो बोलेगी कि हम रोहित और विराट के सामने 2 स्पिनर्स डाल देते हैं, इंडिया में मैच है. सो अब ये चीज हमारे लिए फिटिंग स्काई एट नंबर 3, कोहली कमिंग अप एंड वी वर सेइंग कि ही इज द बेस्ट बैट्समैन गोना गेट द मोस्ट नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स टू फेस. अब just putting this question across, I mean of course it remains to be seen how the entire IPL goes now, but लग रहा है कुछ कंसर्न कि इसका रिकॉर्ड अगेंस्ट स्पिनर्स वैसे ही ठीक नहीं है, एंड दैट्स नाउ अ टैक्टिक द टीम्स कैन यूज.
A tactic that team can use, I think yes, but with Virat Kohli and I think even with someone like Rohit Sharma as well, मुझे लगता है let's talk about Virat Kohli first. So अगर ये 3 मैचेस में अगर if he didn't perform, but I still think that he has done this in the past के या 3-4 बार, and it's about
तेरे को डिफेंड करने की जरूरत नहीं है विराट को, उसने ऐसा किया क्या नहीं किया.
No,
what he has done. I'm just specifically asking कि अभी स्पिनर्स का it's well documented, right, कि विराट has difficulties against spinners, especially power plays में. तो अभी क्योंकि there are not enough gaps available in the field, ऊपर मारेगा तो he's getting he's not reading the ones that is for probably the wrong one. राशिद के साथ प्रॉब्लम देखी हम लोगों ने पहले, जडेजा के साथ प्रॉब्लम देखी हम लोगों ने पहले.
बट you actually rightly pointed out that it's not just we are talking about if we are talking about the pair, then both of them struggles against spin in the beginning, right? So I think ये जो तूने बोला है कि हाँ initially अगर स्पिनर से अटैक कर सकते हैं,
रोहित is still decent, but I get वो ऑफ स्पिनर्स के साथ उसका ज्यादा इशू है. Jesse off spinners, yeah, Baju, that's why they started with Harbhajan that day also. But I agree जो तू बोल.
Yeah, but that this point is pretty much valid, क्योंकि अगर ये exploit करने जैसा हुआ, because everything is as you said, everything is documented. So yeah, this can be a struggle for Virat Kohli, and for Virat Kohli for sure in the beginning, and we have to also, I think Shashank, did he really he said that I'll be opening in the IPL. He's not really sure about
He said me and Rohit are going to open.
Yeah. During the final one day, he did mention कि he will be looking forward to opening with Rohit Sharma as of now. He will look at the IPL as well. But जैसे आपने एक point IPL और World T20 का ऐसा रहेगा कि IPL में आपके पास 2-3 स्पिनर्स हैं जिसके साथ आप पावर प्ले में एक साथ टैंडम में बॉलिंग डाल सकते हो. But when it comes to international teams, I don't think any international team as of now, शायद अफगानिस्तान के अलावा, have that quality spinners जहाँ पे आप both the end से spin डाल के परेशान कर सकते हो. Even for England, अब हमने देखा कि आदिल रशीद and Archer opened, and both these guys, रोहित especially spin के साथ problem है, कोहली has it. So उतना शायद World T20 में problem ना हो, but IPL में certainly there is a weakness. Which but
he did struggle against Rashid Ali also.
He did struggle. He did.
Yes. Moin also, they used Moin that way also. Moin के against भी
Yeah.
ये क्या हो गया? That came in
attack नहीं करता. Right.
Yeah. Also, I think ये जो major spinners है, वो सारे mainly Indians है जिनके साथ struggle हो रहा है IPL में. Power plays. Yeah, I mean Rashid.
कौन नहीं स्ट्रगल करता है?
कौन नहीं स्ट्रगल करता है राशिद को?
No, but I'm just potentially pointing out something that we need to
True,
keep an eye on
absolutely.
in the future. अभी going forward, कि अगर इसका
Absolutely.
form नहीं आता है तो then what sense does it make? Surya is good enough to play at number 4 also. I'm just saying,
Yeah.
धवन का form देख के धवन
नहीं,
अच्छा लग रहा है. He's looking good
बट वो
form.
डबल एज हो जाएगा भाई. अगर कोहली नंबर 3 पे खेले और स्पिनर 7 to 15 पे डाले, the area
but
where
7
we
to
have
15 में
access.
मेरे Vignesh, what I think is he does not have to go over the infield. He can take singles easily. I mean, he can rotate strike, get into that rhythm, and then sort of play that role basically. I mean, I'm just sort of, let's see.
Right.
Morgan,
I think even just you mentioned Dhawan as well, no? In the Dhawan is also like very good in piercing gaps in the offside. So I think अगर धवन का भी IPL अच्छा जाता है तो he will be again a strong contender.
Yeah, he will sure be. He's looking very good also from the England series onwards also. Dhawan,
Prithvi Shaw.
Dhawan always comes before.
वो मरता नहीं है, जॉन स्नो है, वो वापस आता रहता है.
धवन वापस और स्पेशली आईसीसी ट्रॉफी के पहले तो आ ही जाता है.
हाँ यार, कोई भी आईसीसी ट्रॉफी और आईसीसी ट्रॉफी में परफॉर्म भी करता है वो. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस आता है.
एग्जैक्टली.
बट अगर मिडिल ऑर्डर ऑप्शंस अपने बहुत सारे हैं ना, आई वुड लाइक टू ट्राई पंत एज वेल यार ओपनिंग पे.
इतने क्या दे दिया शशांक को.
हाँ यार, मैं तो कब से I've been advocating this कि एटलीस्ट ट्राई कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो नीचे
एक्सीलेंट प्लेयर ऑफ स्पिन. हाँ
एग्जैक्टली. और मेरे को लगा इस बार इंडियन टीम नहीं ट्राई करेगी तो पॉन्टिंग चांस लेगा, बिकॉज दैट होल गिलक्रिस्ट पंत सिमिलैरिटी टेस्ट में भी देखा हम लोगों ने, हाउ ही विंस गेम्स लाइक गिलक्रिस्ट यूज्ड टू. तो उसको ओपनिंग दे सकते हैं. जस्ट आई थॉट पॉन्टिंग विल सीरियसली कंसिडर दिस. Might going forward also अगर Shaw continues to struggle, but let's see. Morgan की captaincy, I don't know, I'm just going to make a statement on this here. It's not a question यार. मेरे को तो अब last year, I mean DK was there. अभी इस year Morgan is the captain. और I mean वो उसको वरुण चक्रवर्ती को 2 over when things were under control. You just giving that space. I mean, commentators everybody was shouting at that time. What is happening? I mean, made no sense at all, right? I mean, that's going to cost KKR against this season, I think. Bad captaincy.
The two teams at the bottom of the table are teams having foreign captains here.
Yeah, I mean, that goes to say here, however great a cricketer you are, you have to have played in those conditions.
Right. Worst reading. मतलब आज शायद Morgan's stay as captain probably in his 5-year long stay.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah. I mean, let's see down the road how it.
What was that decision to bring Harbhajan Singh?
The second last over, right?
Second last over. Also, I think.
Exactly, but that's his wrong thing. No, you shouldn't be left with bowling Harbhajan in the second.
Also, what's up with like only 2 overs from Russell in the is like very, very ill written. कि 18th और 20th ओवर रसल.
मेरे को लगता है वो रसल को ट्रस्ट नहीं करता है एज अ बॉलर.
रसल नहीं करता तो सबसे मेन ओवर क्यों दे रहे हो तुम?
रसल doesn't look like someone who can deliver 4 overs here. I guess that is the handicap.
Exactly. He should be bowling all the overs there for sure. Team selection का भी सीन समझ में नहीं आता है कभी-कभी इन लोग का. But let's enough about him. Yeah, personally I want to talk about something. I don't know you guys. कि Glenn Maxwell has been the change. As I said before, कि Glenn Maxwell ने तो पहले भी, I mean, RCB always had players, always had great batsmen, some little stat I have over here to prove that also, that most 200 plus scores in the IPL history have been scored by RCB. They've done it 20 times. And second is CSK, who've done it 17 times. So this has happened. Most 50 plus scorers with strike rate of 200 plus in the IPL, most times has been done by AB de Villiers. And 2 players are tied at number 2. 3 players are tied at number 2, Warner, Gale and Pollard. So Gale you have had, who has also done this before. Most 50 plus scores in the IPL when a team crossed 200. Okay. The first 3 names are AB de Villiers, Virat Kohli second, both are tied at 10 each, most 50 plus scores mein. And at third is Chris Gale at number 9. So just reiterating my point कि runs have never been a problem for RCB. Maybe in the last season after Gale went and they tried to fight that third batsman. Maybe last season इसलिए हमारी memories उस तरह से wired है अभी. But the biggest change for RCB, which was their biggest problem, has been their bowling, which they have step by step in the last 3-4 years addressed. Majorly in the last transfer window, you can call it not the auctions, when they brought in Harshal Patel. Again, a Delhi lad coming to, from the Delhi franchise coming to RCB, just like AB de Villiers. I mean, doing wonders. And I think he has been one of the big reasons, and Jameson also has bowled really well. He's been bowling really, slower ones really well. Thoda can get hit, but Harshal Patel to lag ही नहीं रहा यार, कोई उसको मार सकता है. Like,
and you're talking about Harshal Patel, मतलब इतना बड़ा नाम है नहीं. Let's just be honest about it. And यार एक बात अगर बोलेंगे, I was holding myself after the first game जब उसने 5 विकेट लिया. So let's say कि okay, let's wait for a couple of games.
I told you he's good enough, Vikas. I told you also. Yeah. Delhi should not have let him go.
It's not just wicket. I mean, it's not just wickets, man. The way he's bowling, आज भी रसल के सामने जो bowling किया उसने, I think brilliant. जो उसका
quick arm, get him away यार, कोई मार ही नहीं पा रहा है.
कोई मार ही नहीं पा रहा है.
One step ahead of everybody, of all the batsmen. He knows what the batsman's going to do, and he will definitely, he's not going to obey to that, and he's going to bowl his own thing. And he's just यहाँ से सब यहाँ से चल रहा है.
यहाँ से
कुछ कंधे से नहीं है, कुछ उंगली से नहीं है.
क्विक आर्म एक्शन है थोड़ा सा, और यॉर्कर डाल रहा है, वाइड यॉर्कर डाल रहा है, स्लोअर बाउंसर्स डाल रहा है, एंड ही जस्ट नो कि भाई बैट्समैन क्या करने वाला है, उसके हिसाब से आई हैव टू प्लान एवरीथिंग. एंड I think Virat Kohli also is using him post 13 overs straight away कि अच्छा 13वें ओवर के बाद में ही मैं उसको यूज करवाने वाला हूँ. एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो वन थिंग कि भाई हर्षल पटेल इज वन. एंड अगेन मोहम्मद सिराज, you know how much I talked about Mohammad Siraj, but in this season we had discussed this that okay, क्या मोहम्मद सिराज का इंडिया का स्टिंट उसको काम में आएगा,
स्पेशली विकास. मोहम्मद सिराज, हम लोग मतलब मेरा मोहम्मद सिराज का मेमोरी करप्टेड है तेरी वजह से, क्योंकि हम जब मिले थे तो तू मोहम्मद सिराज और उमेश यादव के पीछे जो बरसता था कि मतलब नॉट
भाई मैंने
शोज की मोहम्मद सिराज के बारे में आज जो विकास बात कर रहा है, मतलब शोज मोहम्मद सिराज does not have to show us anything, whatever.
Exactly, but yeah, to his fans there, I mean the way he bowled in the last match as well, those first 2 overs were brilliant. Again in today's game, एक 6 मार नहीं पाया एंड्रे रसल उसको, स्पेशली आफ्टर द वो हेड स्टार्ट जो अपने चहल भाई ने उसको दे दिया था. हाँ, वो जो हेड स्टार्ट मिला था उसके बाद में इट वाज लाइक वी वर ऑलमोस्ट गोना सी अ 19th ओवर मेडन. मतलब it has majorly to be कि वो सिंगल नहीं ले रहा है एवरीथिंग, बट स्टिल he was bowling so tight. क्या विघ्नेश?
जैसे आपने बोला हर्षल पटेल, विकास भाई rightly said कि he reserved his opinion about Harshal Patel. I would still do that even though he has done everything expected of him, since pitches in Chennai have suited his kind of bowling. True. But what separates Siraj is Siraj ने सारे वो length bowling किया है, the hard length, the pace, which will serve him well across India, across pitches. And that is something which is very, very heartening for an RCB Indian fast bowler. I could completely understand Siraj, Umesh Yadav, Navdeep Saini, the batch of bowlers RCB has played with all these years. But for Siraj to transform like this, champion bowler, Warner को उसने परेशान किया, Andre Russell को.
Siraj का character तो तभी, the character of the man was shown when, his father passed away and he stayed back in Australia to play with the team. Told my father always would want me to do that also. So that shows the man, the character of the man and where he comes from and what kind of upbringing that guy has. AB de Villiers के बारे में क्या ही बोले हैं आज. Again, मतलब कितनी बार देखा है यार. I mean, क्या बोल सकते हैं AB de Villiers के बारे में? Nothing you can say.
मैंने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एक स्टैट देखा कंटेंडर्स फॉर ऑरेंज कैप में, नीतीश राणा, मैक्सवेल, जॉनी बेस्टो एंड एवरीवन। तो मोस्ट ऑफ देम हैव प्लेड इन चेन्नई और उनका स्ट्राइक रेट अराउंड 134-140 के एवरेज में था। एबी डिविलियर्स टॉप थर्ड या फोर्थ में है और उसका स्ट्राइक रेट 189 है चेन्नई में खेल के।
एंड आई हैव अनदर स्टैट, I have got another stat कि most innings of 75 plus runs किसी बैट्समैन ने बनाए हैं in IPL with 200 plus का strike rate, ठीक है, more than 75 runs and with 200 plus का strike rate. Most number of times it has been done by Chris Gayle, no surprise, 7 times. Second is AB de Villiers, he's done it 5 times. And number 4 पे है Rishabh Pant, he has already done it 4 times.
That too must have played like half of the matches.
Even less than a quarter of the games that Chris and AB would have played. I think less than quarter of the games Rishabh would have played. Also, and number 3 पे again जो है, he's again that guy, that god guy. He's called Virender Sehwag. So these are 4 guys who've played, who've scored 75 plus runs with a strike rate of 200 plus more than 4 times. Rishabh has done it 4 times. Sehwag has done it 5. AB has done it 5 times, and Chris Gayle has done it 7 times. So there's nothing much to be added about AB.
Also, I mean, we have seen people struggling in the last 5 overs, and the only player hitting in the last 5 overs at Chennai is like AB de Villiers.
हम लोग एक दिन यहाँ बैठे हुए थे, we were discussing and we were fighting किसी पे,
ABD versus
ABD versus Andre Russell पे, and basically Vignesh, we were sort of making our all-time T20 11 okay, that we will play. ऐसे वीडियो में नहीं, ऐसे जनरली आर्ग्यू कर रहे थे 5 or 6 people guys just drinking and talking about sports. Not Vikas, of course, not drinking, just talking about sports. So ऐसी बहस चल रही थी and I was मतलब अड़ गया था कि and we were talking about the 6th place batsman who's going to come in at number 6, so 4th down. और भाई ये लोग सब ने AB चूज कर लिया और मैं अड़ गया था, मतलब कि नहीं भाई रसल आएगा, he's such a waste AB at 6, either have him at 5 or don't have him at 5. और आज वही सिचुएशन हुई, AB came in and Russell came in and Russell had to do the same thing that AB did for RCB today.
Yeah.
And I thought कि let's see if he can do it or not. And and मेरे को उम्मीद भी नहीं थी कि अभी कर पाएगा, और AB अगर फॉर्म में नहीं भी है तो मैं I would officially like to retract my position from 2 years back, and I would say
our boys will be so happy today. Boys will be so happy.
just to cover, but आधा बाकी IPL अभी don't clear us out. Last year another thing, because जो तेरे last we spoke about this thing and you were really worried about India's spinning options in the IPL. Varun Chakrabarti I think seems like a first choice.
But he has to be fit.
I'll go to Vignesh first. If he's fit, then is he the first choice spinner for you for the World Cup?
Yes.
Varun Chakrabarti. Yeah. As far as this IPL is concerned, I am not getting good signs here. मतलब उसका body language ही इतना downer लगता है. He doesn't seem to be in the game. मेरे को मतलब यार.
Yeah, but when he is bowling, he definitely seems to be in the game, right? कोई मार नहीं पा रहा उसको.
But जैसे आपने देखा, मतलब गेम क्लोज करना था या फिर वो जो फाइनल ओवर था where he faltered against Maxwell and Davey, थोड़ा सा मतलब I am having doubts. Last season वरुण
फाइनल ओवर तो आप किसको okay I get that,
मतलब उसका फाइनल ओवर जो मैं बोल रहा हूं.
But who would be a number 1 spinner going into the World Cup?
As of now, Rahul Chahar has impressed me quite a lot.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, Rahul Chahar of course makes sense, man. Of course makes sense for sure. I'm just in the conditions where it's not spinning and coming on. Yeah. Maybe Varun is a better option, but I don't know. Because who would be?
If you're not having Ashwin, if you're not having
Chahal ने कि चहल अभी लग नहीं रहा है.
Yeah.
First choice.
Exactly. I've been saying this for quite a long time. Because if you're not having Ashwin, just get Varun Chakrabarti in your team. He's that one guy, who you can
Chahar या Chakrabarti
rely on.
ऊपर कौन है? Who's
Chahal? चहल और
चक्रवर्ती में से who's like
चहल और चक्रवर्ती में चक्रवर्ती, yes. I would love to see. So see, if you're not having Ashwin, then I'd love to see Rahul Chahar and Chakravarti together along with our Jaddu. So I think that makes the fit.
Ash नहीं खेलेगा.
Yeah, exactly. Ash नहीं खेल रहा है, वही तो. That makes a perfect fit for the.
मेरे को सिर्फ एक इंटरेस्टिंग है, पता नहीं उसको चांस मिलेगा कि नहीं, सिर्फ एक लेफ्ट फील्ड कॉल, मुर्गन अश्विन मे बी, बट रवि बिश्नोई एज वेल, सिंस मतलब many people
first of all Punjab should get them a chance,
क्योंकि शायद स्क्वाड बड़ा हो सकता है, then you know उसके चलते मुर्गन अश्विन
Jalat Saxena is playing today and not Ravi Bishnoi. I don't know what Kumble is doing.
Exactly.
I don't know. Whatever. Don't want to diss Kumble here now. Oh, enough of dissing for today. Yeah, congratulations, guys. RCB looking strong to go into the playoffs.
Top of the table.
Yeah, strong. They're looking very strong. Yeah, let's see how it goes down the road for them. Hopefully not good, because my prediction will not come true, but let's see. I want Virat Kohli to come back in form. बस मेरे को यही चाहिए. That's the only thing I want.
Your prediction is definitely gonna go wrong about RCB.
Yeah,
I mean,
for sure.
Playoff में तो हम चले जाने वाले with this team. So yeah. और ये वाला आज वाला क्या अलग कॉन्फिडेंस था भाई, तीन ओवर.
But ऐसे सिचुएशन से प्लेऑफ में नहीं भी जाना RCB की खूबी है, मतलब.
Yeah, but आज ये तीन ओवरसीज के साथ खिला है, वाह बेटे, ये होता है.
चलता है भाई, टीम कॉम्बिनेशन.
I like. अच्छा लगा.
Anyway, great chat again, guys. We'll speak in a few hours after the next game ends, Punjab versus DC. Let's go. Let's see what happens then. Okay. Until then, see you guys.
See you guys.